You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make over $10,000 a month by reselling moissanite jewelry. But first we need to understand what is moissanite and why is it so profitable. Moissanite is a real lab-made stone that passes all diamond testers, and it can even pass as a diamond under a microscope. They cost 10 times less than real diamonds. Even popular rappers wear these things. And they're also sold in real jewelry stores for an affordable price. Now that we know what moissanite is and why it is so popular, we need to figure out how are we gonna buy this at such a low price. We don't need to worry about that though, guys, because I have found the best supplier for the most affordable price. For an example, these earrings right here only cost me $17 from my supplier. They even come with GRA certificate cards and GRA certificate panels that prove that this is a real stone. And I have made it very easy for you guys to get access to this. It's all down in the description down below if you guys need the supplier. Once you have ordered a pair, we're gonna want to sell these. And the common conception for a lot of businesses is doubling your profit. But for these, we get to sell them at $100, and that is 6x your money. And then you just keep reinvesting and buying more. In perspective, if we bought these earrings for $17 and we sold them at $100, all we would have to do is sell 4 pairs a day for $332 per day. That's over $10,000 every single month, and you're double the average American's income per day. And now that we have our pair of earrings here, how are we supposed to make 4 sales per day by reselling these earrings? We're going to list everything on popular marketplace apps, including Facebook, eBay, and Snapchat. And once you have listed your products, you're simply just gonna wait for buyers to message you to buy the product. After a few hours go by, you should already have people messaging you ready to buy the product. And I've done thousands of meetups before. Here is an example of what a meetup should look like for you.
If you want me to test them for you. Awesome.
Plus,
thank you.
It's a pretty sight to see.
Yeah, of course. Of course it is.
Awesome. These are beautiful.
As you can see, it was extremely easy, and we made $300 off of that sale. Reselling moissanite is extremely easy and is the best get-rich-quick method going into 2026 if you guys want to start your business. Once again, I have my private suppliers down in the description down below, where you get a permanent access Google document with all the suppliers that you will ever need in your entire reselling journey. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you did enjoy this video. And yeah, guys, I am Matt Resells. Thank you for watching. Deuces.